Alright, to start from previous tutorial, uh, we will try to improve the quality of audio and music, that how they write up. So to simply do that, we will click here, Master Sci-Fi, and here. Uh, One thing you can do is inside settings, instead of calling it Master Sci-Fi, we will first write it as audio and then press whatever naming convention you want to follow for your game objects, and then for the lower one, that is music, and then underscore. You can do like this. Also, another thing you will do is go on to this text component here and go on to select auto size. So without auto size it looks like this, and with auto size it looks better and scaled. And I mean, even though it looks scaled, but it doesn't look bad. So in the background image, which was this, we noticed that it was bit disproportionate and bit looked quality looked bit off. So we would set that back to 1, and inside scene view we will put it here, something like this. And as you can see, we can increase the height and width here rather than scaling it from here, which is an absolute horrible idea for a UI component. You need to adjust the width and height here. So you will put width and height here, and now we position it something like this. And we can even copy the parent. We can copy this component here and put it here if you want to. So if I paste it here, paste component values, it will look something like this. And then in the image you can increase something like this or something like this as you want. And this is how it will be. So now we will save it here, and now we will take a look at how we can adjust the values of audio listener dot volume, uh, which is a global. Okay, so first let's get to our scripts. This inspector, we can unlock or close tab here, and here in the project we will head over to our scripts, and here we look for singleton global. If you see singleton global, this is our tutorial singleton global. So we already have audio state here, and another thing we will do is public static int instead of int. Let's do this float. Let's do this float as well, since it's a value between 0 and 1. So this would be music state is equal to, by default is this, and by default is this. Sorry. So to now we will download the background music. If you head to game background music, we go to here and we try to download it. Anything short in size, and that is not back. So if I play the audio, this is better, but its length is a lot of more. This is fantastic. So we will download this. So now we have copied it, and we will try to paste it here. So let's create a new folder name music, or rename as game audio, sorry, and paste it here. It will be background music, BG music, something like this. And now let's save again. So background music can be put anywhere, but for tutorial sake we need to put it somewhere that we have the value of it. So let's create an empty, put it music or BG music, something like this, and attach our music that we just downloaded. What was the name? I think it was, yeah, this is the BG music. If you look at the music, this is the music, and now we just simply put it here, and it will show up here. And here play and awake is set to true and loop is true, so it doesn't stop and play in a continuous order. And now when I play the game, it will be like this. uh, so this audio source hasn't worked. Play and awake.